Welcome to EasyAcademia, an abstract and paper submission system designed to meet your conference's unique requirements. As a first step, you will need to create an account. This account can be used for multiple conferences. Once you create your account, please log in to access your dashboard, which offers various functions that we will cover later. For now, the primary task is to find your conference. Click the search icon to navigate the conference list and use the filter or sort options to locate your event. Since each conference setup varies, we will focus on common elements. You can navigate back using the left sidebar. Please make sure to carefully review the guidelines at every step, as some conferences have specific requirements for formats, word counts, and languages. Before submitting your paper, take some time to revise it. However, please note that you can edit your abstract as many times as needed before the deadline. On the dashboard, you can check for invitations from the committee and notifications from other authors. You will also find a list of the conferences where you have already submitted papers. This is where you can make any changes. In the My Account section, you can update your password and personal details. In case that any support is required, please contact our support team at support@easyconferences.org or call us at +357 225 9190.